सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
The coronavirus pandemic is effortlessly mapping its footprints around the globe, and while it is decimating lives at alarming rates, it is also achieving to hamper our sanity by spreading the vibes of negativity, anxiety, and illness. The chaos of the pandemic has failed our sight to look upon over the brighter side of the horizon. Even as a battered India is giving a tough fight to COVID-19, rays of hope are glimmering across the country. Here are the important COVID-19 facts to uplift hopes and prove that India has, after all, not lost it all. 5 states in Northeast go corona-free. Amid spurt in COVID-19 cases, there are 5 states in the Northeast that account 0 cases of coronavirus. These include Manipur, Sikkim, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. Serum India likely to launch potential COVID-19 vaccine by September. Vaccine major Serum Institute of India plans to start production of COVID-19 vaccine developed by Oxford University in the next 2 or 3 weeks and expects to bring it to the market by September if human clinical trials are successful. Sikkim maps no coronavirus footprints in its region. Till date, Sikkim has not recorded any cases of COVID-19. While India ravages with the virus, Sikkim is the only state in India to have not seen any case of the deadly disease. Kerala to battle only 32 more COVID-19 cases. With Kerala being the first state to record COVID-19, it now has managed to stem down active patients and now records more recoveries. Kerala recoveries rose to 489, while active cases are just 32. India's recoveries march above 30%. India's COVID-19 count breached the 81,000 mark. However, recovery rate from the virus is gradually increasing as 32.82% recovery rate was reported till Wednesday. IIT Delhi's coronavirus test kit gets ICMR approval. The Indian Institute of Technology Delhi has developed a COVID-19 test kit which has got the approval of Indian Council of Medical Research. This is the first probe-free assay for COVID-19 approved by the ICMR, which will be useful for specific and affordable high-throughput testing. India's coronavirus mortality rate one of the lowest in the world. On the brighter side, India continued to improve recovery rate, says Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan.
और जैसा कि लगातार हम पिछले काफी समय से देख रहे हैं कि हमारा रिकवरी रेट हर दिन जो है वो पिछले दिन से बेहतर होता है, तो आज ये हमारा रिकवरी रेट 31.7% है। और जैसा कि लगातार इस पूरे कोविड के खिलाफ लड़ाई में हमारा मोर्टेलिटी रेट लगभग दुनिया में सबसे कम चल रहा है।
At least 22,455 people discharging across the country after overcoming COVID-19. At present, India's recovery rate stands at 31.7%. New indigenous rapid antibody test for COVID-19 found. Scientists at the National Institute of Virology in Pune have successfully developed a rapid test kit that can detect antibodies that the body develops in response to SARS-CoV-2. It is known to be the first indigenous anti-SARS-CoV-2 human ELISA test kit for antibody detection of COVID-19. This robust test aims to play a critical role in surveillance of proportion of population exposed to SARS-CoV-2 infection. The test was validated at 2 sites in Mumbai and has been found to have high sensitivity and specificity. Amid a disturbing scenario as such, positive and good news has surfaced its way up, justifying the proverb that even the darkest night will come to an end and the sun will rise. With hope still alive, it is not very long that India will soon witness its victory over COVID-19. With Madeline Ravi for NMTV News.